Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be talking about how you can legally watch UFC and MMA live for free. Let's dive right in. So first things first, there are two methods by which you can do this. You can do this by using a streaming website. For example, we have a list here, which we will go through in a second. Or you can do so by subscribing to a proper UFC and MMA broadcaster such as ESPN Plus. And of course, that costs a subscription, but you can also subscribe to their free trial, which can go up till 30 days. But after that, you will be needing to pay. So essentially, one method is by attaining the free trial for a UFC MMA broadcaster, such as ESPN, or by using a streaming website. For example, right here we have First Row Sports, which is a pretty popular streaming website for sports and of course UFC and MMA. And secondly, we have Crick Free, which is also pretty decent. And last but not least, we have Stream Go to. Of course, these are free to use, but after a certain period of time, they will charge you a certain amount. But of course, if they ever do that, you can simply switch your streaming website to another. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.